Hello students, today we are going to discuss about introduction to pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy is a scientific study of structural, physical, chemical and sensory characters of crude drugs of vegetable, animals and minerals origin. It also includes their history, cultivation of the medicinal plant, producing them and methods involved for their collections and other particulars related to the treatment they received during their passage from the producer to the distributor or the pharmacist and storage. Any substance used in the treatment of disease or diagnosis is known as drug. हमने पैरासीटामोल ली अपने बुखार को ठीक करने के लिए, तो वो क्या हो गया, हमारा बीमारी को ट्रीट करना। और जब हम लैब में जाते हैं, जो भी उसमें केमिकल्स यूज होते हैं वो होता है डायग्नोस पर्पस के। Crude drugs are plant, animal and their parts which after collection are subjected only to drying or making them into transverse or longitudinal pieces or peeling. They exist in natural form. और नेचुरल फॉर्म लाइक नीम, जैसे हम यूज करते हैं एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक, लाइक नीम के लीव्स को हमने रिमूव किया तो वो होगी हमारी क्रूड ड्रग्स। Drugs used in medicine may be organic and inorganic in nature. Organic drugs are essentially of two types. प्योरली सिंथेटिक जो लैब्स में बनती हैं और मैन मेड्स होती हैं। सेकंड, ड्रग्स ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल ओरिजिन्स जो हमें इन्वायरमेंट से मिलती हैं लाइक प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स से। Pharmacognosy has broad scope in the field of pharmacy such as isolation और analysis of phytochemicals. बहुत सारे ऐसे केमिकल्स हैं जो हमें प्लांट्स और एनिमल से मिलते हैं और एज ए मेडिसिन यूज होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक मॉर्फिन जो हमें मिलती है प्लांट ओपियम से। Pharmacognosy is useful in structure-activity relationship. For example, tuberculin and toxiferin have muscle-relaxant property because दोनों की basic structure same है और दोनों में quaternary ammonium group है। Some drugs obtained by partial synthesis of natural product. For example, preparation of steroid hormone from lysogenin. Some natural product also used as a model for synthesis of new drug. For example, morphine also used as a model for the synthesis of cocaine. Some natural products are directly used for the treatment of various diseases. Pharmacognosy is also important to investigate the biosynthetic pathway of primary and secondary metabolites. Herbal drugs derived from specific part of medicinal plant, they are known as phytomedicine. For example, entire plants like mentha. In some drugs, entire organ of plant is used. For example, senna, clove, fennel. Some natural products or compound isolate by different techniques from natures like opium, aloes, beeswax, gelatin. Some natural products are used as a nutraceuticals, that means they have some therapeutic value. For example, garlics that contain anthocyanin and flavonoids which are useful in joint pain or rheumatoid arthritis. For detailed description of each individual drug, the following points are to be considered. First one, origin, which including biological and geographical sources. Second, cultivation and preparation, including details of cultivation of medicinal plants. Third one, characters, including the physical characters such as color, odor and taste. Constituents and test. Constituents include both active constituents and other constituents, and to identify active constituents, various tests can be performed. Fifth, adulterants. Adulterants are those substances which look alike as the original drug but do not possess the property of that drug. Sixth, evaluation of the physical and chemical characters of drug. Seventh, uses and application of the drug in medicine. Now we will discuss different systems of medication. There are so many alternative way of treatment in whole world other than allopathy. Alternative medicine include various healing approaches and their therapies that originate from around the world like Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy. Ayurvedic system of medicine originated in ancient India. The term Ayurveda is derived from Sanskrit word Ayu, which stands for relation of body, sense, mind and the soul. Ayurveda views the world in light of three constitution principles, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Next is Unani. The Unani system of medicine has a long and impressive record in India. It was introduced in India by the Arabians sometime around the 11th century, whereas the Unani system of medicine has its origin in Greece under the Hippocrates around 377 to 460 BC. Next is Siddha. Siddha system of medicine in an ancient science which belongs to Dravidian cultures. The basic principle of Siddha is that there is an intimate link between man and environment. Last but not the least is homeopathy. Homeopathy has been in practice for 170 years by thousands of practitioners. Homeopathy is highly scientific, logical, safe, quick and extremely effective methods of healing. That's it for the day. Goodbye. Thank you.